Good morning, first graders. We are on theme 5, week 1, day 5, whoop whoop, of your KAM blueprints. You guys did it. We're on the last day of your blueprints for the week. The story for the week was The Sleeping Pig. The theme concept: real and imaginary animals have all kinds of adventures. Strategy: summarize. Skill: story structure. Okay. Today we're going to use our stretchers, so get those hands up. If you are in my class, you can get your stretching bands out. First word is soil, so you would stretch out and you would say s, oi, ul, soil. Next word, step. Stretch out the word step. What sounds do you hear? I hear a s, t, e, p, step. Next word, house. Stretch out the word house. And word. Next word, now. And word. Next word, bait. And word. Good job. Okay, let's move on to letter name review. Here we go. Letter. You should have said D. Letter. 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 Okay, let's move on to our regular words. My turn word, get. Oops, it's Friday. I say the word and then you say the word. Miss Lindemann almost forgot. My turn word, give. Your turn word. My turn word, good. Your turn word. My turn word, her. Your turn word. My turn word, little. Your turn word. My turn word, try. Your turn word. My turn word, was. Your turn word. My turn word, fly. Your turn word. My turn word, hour. Your turn word. My turn word, watermelon. Your turn word. Okay, letter sounds. Sound. That's right, you. Sound. 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 Okay, day 5. Sound. Whoops. So it should be A. Sound. T. Blend. 8. Word. 8. Good. Okay, you're going to read the next one without me. Sound. There's that long U sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. blend, sound, blend. This first word is sulk. Now we're going to see the second syllable. ING says ing. Blend, first syllable, sulk, second syllable, ing. Word, sulking. Superstars, great job. You guys are amazing. Happy Friday.